Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to sign up for BMO Digital Banking account using the BMO Banking application. So let's get started right away. First things first, open your BMO Banking application from your app drawer. If you don't have the application downloaded, go and visit your Play Store or your App Store and get it downloaded first. In the sign-in page of BMO, you will need to look for the register option at the bottom so that you can start off the sign-up process. You will need to enter some of your details to begin. Select your account type you are trying to sign up or register with. Once you've made your selection, enter the account number that is provided to you by your bank and make sure to enter it correct in the text box. Select one of the identity type between Social Security number or taxpayer identification number. Select any one that is available and enter the number available in your ID verification. After filling in all of the details, tap on the Continue button and follow through the on-screen prompts. You will be prompted to set up a security question and create a BMO access code and password. BMO will then verify your information, and once approved, you can access your BMO Digital Banking account. So that is how you can easily sign up for BMO Digital Banking account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.